Possession take a tremendous turn, you know what I mean? Yeah. Looking at my life and you will find hope. Ever sit down yet and write a suicide note? With a matic full of nothing funny, do not find joke. This land is like a quicksand and I could find rope. Fuck the music, make me sell some weed and we got buy coke. Life rough but man I try cope, and mama giant short. And hungry belly used to kill with yes but man have high hope. Bust the cage man and touch the stage and sing some high note. Me go wife for the family, them rock my boat. Murder poverty, their celebration like July 4th. Pussy switch up on my thing but me no cry for guy support. A 16 of them face I make them fight for life support. And no love and nothing more. Let's get the dirty floor, bring my dog, them pack up a tour. I never money know what jam I go before. One side, get my blessings and my count them live high. And when my wings and broken.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so free.
Good, how are you doing? So when
So
you say
cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling.
But having issues, so I'm trying to get it sorted out at the same time.
What issue you having?
I was having voice issues.
I got you.
So I'm trying to see, if it works. MD says, if it doesn't work, he's gonna have to explore my system, if you know what I mean.
I don't know what you mean.
Take it
I
over.
don't know what you
Take it
mean.
over. Take it over.
That doesn't sound. You know what I mean?
Put close to your argument, sir.
Nah, you put close for your argument.
What did I say? You know. Honestly, I think I hang out too much in the city. I need to stay at the countryside, with the cows.
That you know.
I hang out too much with these young men.
Very easy. Very easy, Miss Susie.
What me do?
Huh?
What me do?
Oh my gosh.
What did I do wrong, sir?
You know what you man?
I did nothing wrong.
We ain't go too much with these young men.
I hang out with two. No. As of today, I'll be at the courthouse if you need me, or I'll be fishing. Not going back up north. I don't have good luck up there. The best of luck up there. Or I'll be on the beach somewhere.
Miss Susie.
Sir.
I need to put close my argument, Miss Susie.
What are you talking about, sir?
Same thing you just said a while ago. You know what you say?
What did I just say?
You know what you say, man. Yeah, I'll make him check it out.
Check out my system. My
yeah, your system.
Yeah, my system needs checking out from time to time.
Judge. Oh, then Mr. Lifestyle, no, I'm going. Judge.
No, he
don't know what's going on.
He doesn't know my system is broken, no. So I'm trying to fix it before he comes back.
Judge. Oh my gosh.
Here the man.
Alright, Miss Fisher, oh man. May I link you back? As a matter of fact, give me a number. May I have your number?
Wait, you know something? I have your number. Hold on.
I don't have our phone, Miss.
Why?
I don't even know.
Look where the phone store. I'll be right here. I won't move.
Hello, Miss Susie.
Yes, sir.
Let's close for argument, lady. Give me contact, Miss Susie. Get up, Miss Susie.
That is it.
That is it.
You see me talk about me hang out too much with these young men.
That is it. You gotta hang out with us more so you can
I'm beginning to sound like you guys.
Well, you know, a good sign of Miss Susie.
When Zappy come in, I go recognizing your own wife.
Something I need to recognize you.
What say what now?
I need to recognize you. Can get a plastic surgery and movie, you know.
Say what now?
It ain't easy, Miss Susie. What you talk about? Forward, 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 forward. Take a
Where we going, sir?
forward.
Where we going?
Where will we go? When the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road. How would Miss Susie? As I've been out Canada and Chris Gary, you know.
Look here, you're going to leave me out when I want you.
Yeah, me ask Miss Susie before we go anywhere. If you're the hard driving.
Zappy drive hard.
I would have boy, yeah. I would have Miss Susie.
Oh, but I kidnap you, know.
Pull your youth. Miss Susie.
Who was that?
Have a machine for you.
No, I need to go to the PD and get my license firearm. I haven't gotten that yet.
It's a firearm for Miss Susie.
What do you mean for? Sir, I
Yeah.
am always trapped.
Always, no.
Yes, except since I moved here.
That man tell you, man. That man tell you, man. Always chap, no.
I always have 2 firearms on me, sir.
Susie, I'm bust it now. By daylight, now, Miss Susie.
What? You know what?
Susie. If my boy peeking, tweaking, Miss Susie. Nah, lie, you know. They see me don't have the air place there.
Yeah.
That's low, me go on here. Here, Miss Susie.
Are you trying to bribe the judge?
No, I'm not
sir?
bribe you, know. I just tell you what to go on. Just tell you what to go on, you know.
Well,
The
sir.
place there. Anytime you see me doing that, so, you know what to go on already, Miss Susie.
Why do I feel
Right,
like
Miss
that's
Susie?
a threat?
No, I'm not check the don't take it away, Miss Susie. You're messing with Miss Susie, me, you know.
So why do I have the feeling that you're up to no good? Sir,
You know the main part of Miss Susie.
I know. I tried waiting.
You follow me in a minute, Miss Susie?
It may fall.
Yeah. Don't
Sir.
follow me, Miss Susie.
You sure you want to? You sure you don't want to see the psychiatrist, sir?
Susie.
Sir,
You follow me?
I'm going to park the car at my job.
Yeah, I come pick you up forward. Ready?
My office is way up to, mister.
Susie,
Yes, sir.
I like apples.
I love apples, but I hate the north.
I get some banana then.
No, I don't want no damn banana.
Why you not banana?
No, sir.
Nah, we are going.
Say what now?
We are going up north, man.
Do I look like I'm dressed for the
Yeah.
north?
Yeah, I'm going to jump out.
Oh, so are you kidnapping me, sir?
No, me not do that. Don't ever try it. Tell me some game pressure. Oh, yes, Miss Susie. Not kidnapping you. Do you want me to turn around and take you back, Miss Susie?
What are we gonna do up north? I want to learn like how to farm and stuff. But the last time I went up there with somebody, I got shot.
Oh my gosh, that person's fingers was not working properly, Miss Susie.
I got murdered. I almost got murdered.
Oh my gosh,
You can't close my argument, sir. You can't close my mind and you think I'm doing
what about my? What do you mean?
it. Okay, sir. Never mind.
Well dressed.
Since you didn't get it, sir, never mind. You're stressing me the hell out, sir. I need some weed.
What? Miss Susie, no, me I care about the police station. Go left here now.
Or let me pet a pig.
Alright, Miss Susie. I
Sir,
understand, Miss Susie.
what, sir, you trying to get us killed?
I
Why are you
understand,
parked
Miss
in the
Susie.
middle of the road?
I'm asking, but I want to live on easy yourself.
Of course.
That is it.
I'm gonna want to sleep now and then.
Say something, Susie. How about us, Smith?
I sure am. Soon
So
as
when
the
they
cars.
catch me with 100 giant on Miss Susie, I got that.
No. Don't make me get you
I
with
got
100.
me tell them, say, me want to see Miss Susie, you know. Me want to go court.
Listen to me. Me send me one
Yeah.
son of prison, sir. So stay there.
No, but you know, that are your son.
Alright, boss. We'll see how that works out for you in your
Miss
favor.
Susie, how much, Miss Susie? How much?
I'm old to be everybody in here's
I
boss.
can't sugar mommy, Miss Susie, man.
Hell no. What are you talking about?
That was Susie. Hey,
No,
Susie.
sir. I am nobody. Nope. Sir.
Get that 500 ticket a while ago.
Pay attention to the road, sir.
Nah. You're tripping, fam.
Pay attention to the road. Don't you know where the stop lights and stop signals or speeding traps are?
You know what I say, I'll go on. You distract me, though, Miss Susie.
How may I distract you, sir? How am I
No,
distracting
they
you?
distract me a while ago, man. Are you
Oh.
see distracting driving this?
Alright, I'm gonna shut up.
Watch out. I get the next one. I'm slow before me reaching. No, man. Like that. 700 like that now. I just pay for speed ticket now, Miss Susie. You know, so I can't get this. Joke.
We are trying to say, Miss Sam.
Joke. I joke. I could
We are trying to say, me want to go a river.
My friend. I'm joking, my friend.
Okay.
My friend, though.
Yes, man, we are friend, man.
Good friend, right? Good friend where you just take off a murder charge.
No. One
What
thing,
you
you know,
mean by no?
this judge
See,
know
and
how
that
to...
with
No,
you,
listen,
you don't
this
know
judge
friend. Me I look a good friend.
compartmentalize. Oh, so you
Susie,
mean you are trying to put the judge in your pocket? You are trying to put
No,
it...
I'm not trying to put no. You're too
I
big for
see
going in pocket,
what
Miss
it
Susie. What you talking about,
is.
Miss Susie?
I see what
Susie,
it
you're too big for
is.
going in pocket. Come on,
I
Miss Susie.
see what it is. Okay.
Miss Susie, hey, Miss Susie.
Oh, so you don't really want us to be friends. You just
Of
want
course, you're a
me to
friend.
be in your
Hey, Miss
back
Susie, man. Them not
pocket.
go gas squeeze, man.
Give me a squeeze, sir. So why do I get the feeling like you're up to no good, sir?
What do you mean up to no good? You know what? You know have to be able to live comfortably. You don't have to work
Sir,
too hard.
I don't have to work too
Like
hard
money
right
just
now.
a forward.
Well, I don't have to work too hard right now.
Alright, Miss Susie, between me, how much you get paid?
Not enough.
Between me. Nothing. You see, and that me I show you. You don't have to work. You stay up your yard. You are Uncle Zabito.
Sir,
One who
I
can stay
have to work.
Why?
If I don't work, I will drive myself crazy. I have to be active. I have to be productive, sir.
What if I buy you one jet?
Sir, seriously.
Seriously, I just stay down on the PD, and when they see me, I just say, alright, case dismissed. So I'll go and have 3 boys for that shit in the evening. I'm not growing in, I tell you straight up, you know. See,
Well, I'll pretend like we never had this conversation.
yes, that's a pretend, right?
I will pretend like we've never had this conversation, sir. Are you trying to get the judge to
I'm
agree
not
to
trying
something
to get it in
illegal,
my
sir?
pocket or anything of that sort, Miss Susie. There is no illegal activity I'm talking about. I mean, you see, tell us I'm gonna dash it 2
Sir,
boys,
you just confessed to me that you're going to throw away 3 boys. Now, why would you throw
No,
away
I didn't
3
say boys. I
boys?
said why. I didn't say boys.
So you said 3, sir. So it's more than 1. So it's boys.
Boy.
There is no such word as boys, sir.
You see, you don't understand where me come from, isn't it, Miss Susie?
Where you come
Where
from,
you
sir?
from, Miss Susie?
Where are you from, sir?
Don't know one part.
I'm from Gangster City, sir.
You from Gangster City?
Yes, sir.
Me from Criminal City.
Okay, and you're saying this to say what, sir?
So that's your boy.
Okay, so well then, if you can dash away boys according to you and get away with it then more power to you. Maybe one day I'll have a couple boys here to throw with me too. You never know.
Almighty God, me like the sound of that, Mr. Susie.
Possession take a tremendous turn, you know what I mean? Yeah. Looking at my life and you will find hope. Ever sit down yet and write a suicide note. With a matic full of nothing funny, do not find joke. This land is like a quicksand and I could find rope. Fuck the music, make me sell some weed and we got buy coke. Life rough but man I try cope, and mama giant short. And hungry belly used to kill me, yes but man have high hope. Bust the cage man and touch the stage and sing some high note. Me go wife for the family, them rock my boat. Murder poverty, their celebration like July 4th. Pussy switch up on my thing but me no cry for guy support. A 16 of them face and make them fight for life support. And no love and nothing more. Let's get the dirty floor, bring my dog, them pack up a tour. I never money know what jam I go before. One side, get my blessings and my count them, I live high. And when my wings them broken, me still